Angela Catina, your property specialist of Avida. Are you looking for a property investment for your future home with the best location? Here, Avida, we offer you projects that suit for your needs. Avida Towers Abrisa is perfectly located within Abrisa District along GP Laurel Avenue, Bahado, Davao City. It's also situated near establishments like mall, hotel, business offices, church, and hospital. It's also near to the Bangoy International Airport. Prime location and accessibility is what you get when you buy Avida Towers Abrisa. Hurry up! We have limited units left. Contact me for more details. Again, Angela Catina, your property specialist.